Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and here we are. This is the last update we're going to get today for Windows 10. We are officially at end of support. Of course, there is a extended 1 year for those that want it, and if you want more, there's zero patch that will give you a 5-year extension at least. So this amazes me, as this means time has flown by really fast. I still remember being on this channel on July 29th, 2015, waiting for the first downloads of Windows 10, and that was something. Thinking about it, that we are now, more than 10 years later, at the end of support. So what does it mean for end of support? Well, it means that, first of all, there is no more support at all in one way. Yes, you'll have the security updates for the next year, but don't ask Microsoft for help. There is no more help. This operating system has gone to its end of life. So, in a sense, they will, of course, hopefully try to make the updates as good as possible so that they don't really, create any issues, and they're probably going to be very, very, just focusing on the updates for security that are important, and that's it. But there's no bug fixes anymore. There is no support, as they are now going full speed ahead on Windows 11. What does that mean? That means also that you're on your own starting from now. Hurry up to get the image for Windows 10 while it's still online. At some point, that page where you download Windows 10 on the Microsoft webpage will eventually disappear. They will eventually remove that and say, well, you can't get it anymore. So that is also something to probably look at, and make sure that you download a copy that you could keep in case you need to reinstall. That also means that activation servers will still continue working for a while, but the activation servers will not be working forever. So if there is some activation to be done, of course, for the most part, the operating system knows it's activated through a digital key that's linked to a email, but and your system, of course. But it's going to get more and more complicated. What does it mean if you don't enroll in the extended security updates? Well, it means that as the time will go by, your system will be more and more vulnerable to attacks. So that is something to think about. But if you, of course, should actually go and enroll yourself in the extended security updates, there will still be updates for some softwares, like if you're using Google Chrome or you're another browser. These are going to support Windows 10 for a while. As long as there's enough people, they will continue doing that. But this is the end of the line, and the next year will just be small security updates. There will be no more features, no new features, no changes in features. So it's special. It's kind of a weird moment when you think about it. When we were all excited to get Windows 10 for the first time, with brand new, a refreshing new look. The first time that Microsoft mentioned something called Windows as a Service. And for the first years, we didn't think there was going to be another Windows other than 10 being updated all the time. Even until the last minute, we were being told that Windows 11, in fact, would be a complete overhaul of the interface of Windows 10. And then suddenly, surprise, surprise, it was a Windows 11 operating system. So this is kind of interesting when you think about it. But today is kind of a sad day. seeing that Windows 10 is reached its end of support. And here, as you see here just now, here comes the last bits for Windows 10. And so it's interesting. There's a security update that is on its own. And then there's a cumulative update for Windows 10 that is there, which is kind of interesting to see that there's something like that happening. So, yep, it's happening now. It's starting to download. So go and check out your updates if you want to have the security updates. This is the last official security update, and we'll see what's different between the standalone security update here and the cumulative update. One thing for sure, it's standalone, so this might be something different. So we'll be looking at that in the next video of what's in here, and I guess we can just think about, you know, all the years we passed, that have passed, that we've been using this operating system. It's kind of a weird moment. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.